You have an advanced, autonomous commercial drone ready for international markets. Hardware with this level of capability triggers immediate federal oversight. While it avoids the U.S. munitions list, a high-tech platform like this falls under the jurisdiction of the Commerce Department's Export Administration Regulations, or EAR, a federal violation. We are going to walk through the exact steps to clear this hardware for export by submitting a BIS-748P license application through the government's SNAP-R portal. Executing this digital filing correctly is the only way to convert a restricted piece of technology into a globally compliant asset. Before you can initiate a filing, you need an active SNAP-R account and a registered company identification number, or CIN. Once logged into the dashboard, click Create New Work Item and specifically select Export License Application. Two of the most heavily scrutinized fields on this form are Block 14, where you input your CIN, and Block 22, where you define the item's ECCN. Official BIS guidance shows Block 22 requires absolute precision. You must enter the correct ECCN in Section A and the exact manufacturer name in Section I. Furthermore, the warning notes typing "See brochure" is strictly prohibited. Parameters must be fully typed out. Block 21 requires defining the exact end use. Submitting a generic phrase like commercial drone operations is a failure point. Instead, provide a highly specific application, like autonomous pipeline corridor inspection. This proves to reviewers the technology isn't for a dual-use military application. Inputting exact granular data in these blocks keeps your application moving forward. Vague answers bury it in administrative scrutiny. With the primary fields populated, you have to attach your supporting documentation directly to Block 22. For our drone, this requires uploading the flight performance data sheets alongside a signed Form BIS-711, which acts as the official statement from your ultimate purchaser. Look closely at this upload requirement. SNAP-R completely rejects any file format other than a PDF. Once your PDFs are attached, you digitally sign the form and click Submit. The system instantly generates an Application Control Number, or ACN. Clicking Submit initiates a rigorous interagency review. The application routes from Commerce to Defense, State, and occasionally Energy, allowing them to independently evaluate your technical parameters. You monitor your position in this routing sequence by entering your ACN into the Stella tracking system. Tracking your application through the specific interagency flow allows you to accurately forecast your shipping timeline. Upon receiving your approved license, your immediate first step is to audit the specific provisions, or conditions, issued by BIS. Link those exact provisos into your company's internal ERP system. This creates a hard stop that prevents your logistics team from accidentally shipping outside the authorized boundaries. Provide final license details to your freight forwarder so they file the electronic export information in the AES system prior to the cargo's departure. The moment that export occurs, EAR Part 762 mandates a strict 5-year record retention requirement. You are required to hold all SNAP-R application files, the technical PDF attachments, and the original BIS approval letters for that entire duration. Securing the license allows you to ship the product. Executing this 5-year retention protocol is what protects your company from audits and penalties.